Hi you guys, how are you doing today? Thanks for stopping by my video. So I'm gonna do some meal prepping for my kids today. If you've been around my channel before, you know sometimes I like to involve them and have them cook in the kitchen with me and make some of their meals. So this time I'm gonna do a little bit of meal prepping for them instead of myself. So I kept seeing this on Pinterest, freezing peanut butter and jelly sandwiches. So I just thought that that was a wonderful idea. It will help make lunches so much easier in the morning to make. I make the boys' lunches for preschool, so sometimes mornings are super hectic, and it's just really great to have something that's convenient, ready to go, that I could just pull out of the freezer. So, like I said, I kept seeing this on Pinterest, and I wasn't sure if it was gonna work, so I tried it out a couple weeks ago, and Benjamin just loves these sandwiches. So, now I'm gonna make a big batch to have ready to go for the weeks to come so that I can just pull them out of the freezer and then their lunch is ready. So I use a soft wheat bread. You can use your preference. And I have a natural creamy peanut butter. Again, you can use your preference of peanut butter. So for these sandwiches, my kids are not into jelly right now. You know, toddlers, they like what they like. So we're just gonna do peanut butter. But if you are gonna do jelly on your sandwiches, put the jelly in between two pieces of peanut butter and bread. So you'll do bread, a layer of peanut butter, layer of jelly, and another layer of peanut butter on the other slice of bread, and put it together. So that will make the sandwich not soggy. The peanut butter will help make that bread not stick to the jelly and make it all soggy. So these are really great. I just love having stuff ready to go in the freezer. Makes life so much easier for me during our hectic days. So I'm gonna get a big batch of these ready to go, and I will put all the information in the description box, so check that out. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe so that you get all of my toddler meal prepping and my breakfast and lunch meal prep videos. Click the bell button so that you get a notification each time I post a new one. So I'm gonna get this whole batch ready to go. All right, so all the sandwiches are made. I have them in their little plastic baggies, and then I put them in this little plastic storage container so that they're just not thrown around in the freezer. They're all nice and contained and organized. So I'll put these in the freezer. They'll be ready to go for lunch. I'll just pull them out in the morning, the day that they're gonna have these. And then by lunchtime, they're totally defrosted, ready to go, and delicious. They are a major time saver in the morning. So I like to do the peanut butter sandwich with a little bit of fruit on the side, carrots, string cheese or yogurt to make a nice, healthy, well-rounded lunch. So this is really easy to make. I hope that you guys get a little bit of organization out of this video. If your kids like peanut butter and jelly, definitely I recommend making a batch of these up to save some time. Super easy, super fun. Just use a loaf of bread and your peanut butter and jelly, and you're ready to go. So click subscribe to my channel if you're new here so that you get all of my new videos. Lots of toddler videos coming up, and lots of my weekly meal prepping as well. So thanks for watching this one. I hope that you have a great day, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.